Every visitor to your website leaves behind valuable data that reveals patterns, preferences, and opportunities for improvement. When properly collected and analyzed through robust website analytics, this information transforms raw numbers into actionable insights that drive strategic business decisions. Understanding how visitors interact with your site eliminates guesswork and replaces assumptions with evidence-based strategies that deliver measurable results. Comprehensive analytics reveal which traffic sources deliver the most valuable visitors to your business website, whether from organic search, paid advertising, social media, or email campaigns. Beyond simple visitor counts, analyzing behavior patterns shows exactly how users navigate your site, where they spend time, and where they encounter obstacles. For e-commerce businesses, understanding cart abandonment points and conversion funnel drop-offs directly impacts revenue optimization. Effective data analytics implementation requires setting up proper tracking infrastructure, defining meaningful goals for your specific business objectives, and creating automated reporting that delivers insights without technical bottlenecks. Regular review cycles help identify trends, while cross-team collaboration ensures marketing, sales, and leadership all benefit from shared intelligence. Anglia builds websites with analytics at their core, ensuring your digital presence continuously improves based on real user behavior. Ready to unlock the power of data-driven decision-making for your business? Contact Anglia to learn how our analytics-integrated websites provide the intelligence you need to optimize performance and achieve sustainable growth.